Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. Good morning, children. Today's topic is about the conversion of an improper fraction to a mixed number. To convert an improper fraction to a mixed number, follow these steps. Step 1. Divide the numerator by the denominator. Second step, write down the whole number, then write down the remainder above the denominator. That is, write down in the following form QR by D. Convert 14 by 3 into a mixed number. Divide 14 by 3. You will get 4 as quotient and 2 as remainder. Here the divisor is 3. Write down the answer as 4 2 by 3. 4 2 by 3 is a mixed number. Next one, convert 7 by 3 into a mixed number. Divide 7 by 3. You will get 2 as quotient and 1 as remainder. Here 3 is the divisor. Write down in the following form QR by D. The answer is 2 1 by 3, which is a mixed number. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.